kids! We are going to solve another math problem. So let's start. Kisha is working in a company. 1 month she saved 2,350 pesos. The following month she saved 1,970 pesos. And on the third month, she saved 1,500 pesos. She bought a new phone worth 3,825 pesos. How much was left from her savings? So we are going to add 2,350, 1,970, and 1,500 pesos. So bring down 0. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 9 equals 13. And 13 plus 5 equals 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. Now we are going to subtract 5,820 by 3,825. So we are going to borrow. 0 will become 10. 2 will become 11. 8 will become 17. And 5 will become 4. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 17 minus 8 equals 9. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. So, this is our final answer. 1,995 pesos was left from her savings.